SYM built this Trazer for beginners who love to taste the ADV life. It's a lightweight 183cc motorcycle that has the looks to give it the adventure tag. 19 inches spoked wheel, stubby tires, long travel suspension, windscreen, pannier attachments and the lot. It gets LED lighting on the main headlamp and tail and has a neat-looking LCD instrumentation. The 183cc single owns a below-par 18 horsepower and 12 lb.Ft of max torque. The bike comes with ABS as standard with an option to disable it at the rear, true off-road style. Mechanically, the Trazer gets telescopic forks and hydraulic-centered suspension at the rear. Braking is handled by two piston calipers clutched on pedal disc at the front and a single piston at the rear.